Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how to set up and use Audible in your Tesla vehicle. So we have an Audible app, and we can find it by clicking on these three horizontal dots down here, and that'll open up our menu. We can find the Audible app, and if we'd like it in our bottom menu area down here, all we have to do is hold our finger down on the Audible app, and then we can drag and drop it into the location where we'd like it to be in the My Apps area. So now I have Audible easy access right here. Now, if you'd like to listen to Audible when you're away from your home Wi-Fi, you need to be subscribed to the Tesla Premium Connectivity Plan to get you that internet connection that you need to use this app. But once we have Audible right here, I'm going to click on it. And from this page, we can confirm our Audible account by logging into it using this QR code. So I'm going to take out my cell phone. So taking out my phone and opening up my QR code scanning app, and then I can scan that QR code and then open up this link right here. And if you're not already signed in to your Amazon account, it will prompt you to do so. But at this point, it's giving Amazon access to our Tesla so that it can use our Audible subscription. So we want to click on where it says allow. And it says success, your registration is now complete. And once it's successful, it's just going to take a little bit of time for it to update. But eventually, once we successfully create this link, then it will log in to our Audible account, and it'll show up right here. So if you have any books or anything in your Audible account, it should show up in this area, and you can continue to listening to audiobooks that you've already started. Again, if you want to use these internet-based apps when you're away from your home Wi-Fi, you need to subscribe to the Tesla Premium Connectivity Plan so that you can get internet access when you're out and about driving to be able to use these apps. So that'll wrap this one up. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.